If you are here in this video and you want to know that how to make a teaching video, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you everything and complete step where you will learn that how to make educational video or teaching video using your PC or laptop. Let's get started. Hi everyone. Nowadays, since we know that most of the teachers are at home and they want to make a teaching video or want to teach their students while they are at home, and the students are also at home, and they want to make different computer lessons or maybe different educational lessons, and they will email them or deliver them to the students, then they don't know how to make that. I will show you in this video. First thing, you need different devices for your recording. For example, if you want to record your headshot like I'm doing right now, you need a camera, and there are different type of camera, but the one which I'm going to show you, it is in description of that video. You are going to purchase that video for amazing video quality, and it will give you more clearance and more perfect video for your students, where you are going to interact and also give them many more interest to your video tutorial. Now, second thing, you need a tablet, and that is a tablet, and I have also a digital pen. That is also a pen, and it is a tablet. It is from Wacom company, and it is one of the best tablet which I'm using right now, and I'm using that from previous 2 years, and it is working amazingly, and the product is very nice as compared to other Chinese product. It is genuine product from the Wacom company, and I have also given the link of that tablet which you require to write in your video. Then you are going to use that tablet. Now, how you are going to use your tablet? For example, I'm in computer screen, and you can use different programs such as PowerPoint, Word document, or even you can use PDF file in an Internet Explorer, and you are going to write quickly with your digital pen easily. Okay, now for example, if I'm going to make a new layer here in Photoshop, but you can also use some free software as well, if you have MS Paint, you can also use as well for Windows default. Now I'm going to show you different version here. Now we have MS Paint here, and I'm going to change the setting for my that software. Maybe the mapping should be in monitor 2. Yeah, and now once you are here, I'm right now using my pen, and you can use that one like mouse, but you are going to write that in any software. For example, I have red color, and I'm going to write something. Let me change the size to be something bigger. Yeah, see, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and that is equal to a plus b whole square. Now see how easily and comfortably you are going to write the wording here, or anything which you want. For example, that is formula or mathematics formula. Okay, math formula. See, we are going to write, for example, if you need to write in different color, which is red, and we are going to add something else to AB, then we can use different color as well, and I'm going to write some other color as well. For example, a plus b cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b, and that is how you are going to write. But for my presentation, which I'm using, that is Adobe Photoshop, which is amazing for the presentation because we have a lot of flexibility. But you know that it is a paid version of software. If you want to invest some bucks and for your presentation, it will cost you a little bit more, but it worth your money. Okay, now what we are going to do, for example, I'm going to change the color of my background to dark gray, and I will use one more color. And here we are going to use, for example, pen tool. And the pen tool, the size which I'm using, it is hard round pressure sized, and the size is 5 pixel and the hardness is 100%. And now what we are going to do, for example, if I'm going to write, let me just fit that to the screen, and here we have fit screen. And if I'm going to write, for example, in white, and we can also remove whatsoever we make mistake in there. Okay, now what we are going to, for example, a plus b, same formula, square which is equal to, now see how smooth in Photoshop you can write, because it will also give you like pressure sensitivity if you are going to slower down, and it will give you that pressure sensitivity as well. Okay, now see how beautifully we can just do that one, and exactly we are going to make anything which we want. Okay, now if we are going to make something, it gives like a sense of using a real pen or pencil in Adobe Photoshop. Therefore it is quite like real feel you are going to find out here. Now what we are going to do, for example, a square plus b square plus 2ab. And also if I'm going to change the color as well, and cube, for example, different color. Okay, maybe a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Okay, something like these. And for example, if I'm using quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Or if I'm like writing some integration, then we are going to say that integration of x square dx, which is equal to, maybe what should be like that, x over 2x. Okay, now that is the formula which we are going to use. And if we are going to make some mistake, then you know that it is completely fine that we can use. Okay, no problem. However, how easily we can do everything. And for that, if you want to, for example, also record your screen, which I'm recording right now, you can also use a different software for recording your screen as well. And for that you can use Zoom, or you can use OBS, or also you can use Camtasia, which is a paid version. But OBS is like it is recording studio, and that is for free, and you can also stream from that software. And again, if you want to get the camera or also the tablet, okay, from the I have provided the link in the description. You can just click on that link, and it will redirect you to the product, and you can directly purchase that one, and then you are happily going to use the product in your future lessons. I hope you got the idea that how you are going to make a teaching video quickly and easily. If you have any problem, just write that in comment box below, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe for more upcoming video. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.